Okay, so we're back now. It's the third day. It's a little warmer today, you know, so I'm just wearing a t-shirt. But I got the relay set up here, so let's take a look at what we got. Okay, over here I have the main hot for the headlights. That's the secondary hot for the headlights, or actually marker lights. These two are the marker lights and the dash lights. It's green and blue. These are the two that are just wired together whenever the headlight switch is on. So they get their power from somewhere else. And then this one here is the switch leg for the headlights themselves. Okay. These two white wires, one runs up to my photocell, and the other one I'm running to a toggle switch. So when I turn on toggle switch, it'll turn on the relays, and all my lights work. So just I guess you call it a backup safety in case that photocell decides it doesn't want to work. I got constant power that'll come off the battery for, and it'll be right there for me. And now then, on this here, these are all numbered. I don't know if we can see them very well with the sun, but 1, 2, and 3. That's the 3 I'm using. And then I have this white wire, which that is the on controller for the relay. Then I got my ground for the relays. And then these 3 blues, these are the switch legs off the relay. And these 3 here that I have taped up, these are normally closed. These are normally open. When you're wiring a relay and you want to turn on something, you want to make sure you wire it to the normally open. Because in relay sense, when there's no power on the relay, that's normal. When you supply power to the coil and it changes states, it's the normally open contacts that close, and the normally open, or normally closed, open. Okay, that's enough relay tech for y'all, but you can kind of see how that wires through. Okay, so now all I gotta do is hook the wires up and put the mount on it, so I mount to the fender, and then we can test stuff. I gotta hook up the wire over there on the ignition for the photocell, but that ain't no big deal. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we're almost done, but I want to do a functional test. So we'll turn around, we'll take a look at what's going on here. There is the relay pack hanging. Got everything wired up except for this wire here, which this actually has to go over to my ignition hot. But what I'm going to do is, let's go over this way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in and take a piece of black tape and stick over that, and you'll see the lights come on. So we'll be right back when I get set up. Edit that through. You good?
Yeah. Penny, what are you doing? Hi, Penny. Ooh. What? Penny!
I'm gonna have to edit out a lot. Well, here we are at the last of it. I've showed you the headlights working, and we got the cow tracks done, of course. Got the headlights done, of course. Got the radio installed, and I actually cleaned out the truck. Cleaned it up. Vacuumed it out. Okay, so let's get in here and take a look at this stuff. Okay, there's my Pioneer radio. Turn it on. Wait until all that stops. There we go. Yeah, I don't know how to get that out of the... Well, now they're gonna get me for copyright. But anyway, that is my trans brake button. So watch when I push the trans brake, because that's how you back up when you have a trans brake. And there's the backup camera. Off. Backup camera. Off. Backup camera. So anytime I push that, I'll have a backup camera. I've already started the truck and made sure that the stereo doesn't whine, you know, with the motor. And I had a little oh no moment with it, because I got the dash all put back together and everything, and fired the truck up. Well, I looked at my dashboard and my coolant temperature was pegged out at like 250. And I noticed my oil was 100 and my fuel tank was empty. And I didn't have any voltage on my voltage gauge. Well, on one of the plugs, I had to redo that. The plugs I have for my dash, the ground came loose on it, so none of the gauges had ground. So that caused all kinds of havoc with my gauges. So, but anyway, we'll get done with this, and I'm gonna take it for a drive a little later. I'll do another video with dash cam. So we'll holler at you guys later. Thanks for watching the whole video, and remember, like, subscribe, and share if you like my content. Alright, take it easy, guys. Later.